So here we have merged the different types of communications. So multi-service, so I have talked about different services, voice, video, data, and then we talked about different types of classification of wireless communication, that is point-to-point, and then multi-point, and then broadcast. So here you can see that if we are actually having all the services, right? So you can see convergence of services and then convergence of different types of cellular wireless networks. So this is the base station, right? And that is actually used in cellular communication. And here we have the tower. So you can see we have point to multi-point communication, right? And here we have the subscriber station, right? And you can see we are actually using